Okay, check this out. Rough draft. Got my regulator wired in. Not the fuse box yet because I don't have my display in yet, but got the battery regulated to 12 volts. Here's a lot. Ta-da! I'm smart as fuck.